Hello everyone. In this video, I would like to take a look at the licensing area and the settings area with regard to the knowledge base functionality. You may know that this particular functionality is not part of the standard iDashboards environment, which means you would have to pay an extra subscription fee for it in order to have access to it. So please reach out to your iDashboards account manager to find out more about these extra subscription fees. All right, so let's take a look at the licensing area. So I click on my admin icon here, and then from the admin view, I go to System. From the drop-down, I select License. It will now display all the license information here with regards to the system that I'm using. And as you can see, the knowledge base has its own icon here, right? And there's a little green check mark below it, meaning it is available currently in the system that I'm using. Let's go to the license details. There's an entry for the knowledge base itself. Here's the green check mark. And then there's an additional entry called public access enabled. It has also this green check mark. So in my system, both of these are available. The public access means you can share the articles with the public without authentication. Now let's go to the knowledge base settings. So here under System, I go to the drop-down, select System Settings, go to the left-hand side, all the way to knowledge base settings. And that gives me, in my current environment, which is version 12.4, 5 settings. If you're using an older version of iDashboards, that you might not see all these settings in the version that you're using currently. So the first setting allows me to disable or enable the actual function itself within the iDashboards environment, right? The second setting, I can decide whether I want to require authentication to view articles, right? By default, this is enabled. Then hide change information. It allows you to hide the information about who created or changed an article or when it was updated or created, right? That information is usually shown when you create an article, but you can disable it from here. Then when it comes to the comments, you can decide what kind of sorting these comments should have. By default, it is newest to oldest, but you can change that to oldest to newest. And then with regard to the public access that I mentioned, right, you can decide here with the last setting if you want to show the comments when the public has access to those articles. By default, this is disabled, but you can enable it from here. All right, so this is all that I wanted to share with you with regards to the licensing and the settings for the knowledge base. I hope this was informative. Thank you for watching and have a great day.